Olutayayo rw'abahangaba nurijeho bonyuma batura ba DRC abari kutura umwanya gwa kibaya ansharo ya Uganda na Congo okweto mbwita ngo bakareba aba Uganda Investment Authority bari kutera icyapa n'egenera cyo kutamo Industrial Park.
Last year we had an issue over the demarcations at the borderline of Uganda and Congo, where we are trying to establish the industrial park. When we erected our pillars, they raised some dispute. Fortunately, today we managed to amicably agree and resolve. I can say we have fairly agreed on some position.
Abebembezi nibajyangu itakiri rerambwirwe okureba ngo yaba batura ibane bagamba bakabikire.
We have agreed with them that we schedule another engagement where they will come purposely to have pillars erected at the borderline, because that borderline for long, those pillars which were there before, they have been vandalized by some negative forces.
Olutayayo rw'abakuru abahona rugenderera kongera kureba Uganda na Congo noha mukama witaka lya kibaya.
But from today we have agreed with their teams, because their teams were diverse. They had those experts in surveying, in cartography, in security, and going forward I think those other issues will not rise up again.
Itaka lya kibaya ryemerire hectares rukaga kandi umwaka guru kwija hari ntekatika yo kutaho Industrial Park. Amakuraga gasha kwa Kate atuzarirwe.